Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore HubSpot custom report filters after account reset. Complete guide step by step clearly. To restore HubSpot custom report filters after an account reset, begin by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the Reports section in the top menu. Select the Reports drop-down and choose Reports from the options. In the Reports dashboard, locate the Manage button on the right side of the screen. Click on Manage to access the list of your previously created reports. From this list, identify the report for which you need to restore filters. If the report has been reset, select it to open the report configuration. Look for the Filters section within the report settings. Review the list of filters currently applied to the report. If filters are missing, navigate to the left panel to find the filter options. Select the appropriate filters you had previously used. Drag and drop these filters into the report configuration area. Adjust any filter parameters to match your previous settings. Once you have restored all necessary filters, click on Save to apply your changes. To verify that the filters have been effectively restored, run the report. Check to ensure the data reflects the filters you have applied. If everything looks correct, your custom report filters have been successfully restored. Consider documenting the process for future reference, should it be needed again. Now you're ready to utilize your custom report with the filters restored. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.